Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you guys already decided, we are going to be doing a very cute hairstyle. You seen the thumbnail and you want to know how to do this hairstyle, don't worry because I got you. If you're new here, I'm Kesley. It's so nice to meet you and it's so nice to have you here. One of my goals for 2026 is to go full-time with content creation. It would really help me out so much if you would just leave this video a like and also comment down below that you know, and also subscribe here on my channel. I love the Lord. I love to just talk about faith and my life experiences. I love to be my most authentic self, and so if you're interested, let's hop into this video. So starting off, you're going to need a comb. For my crochet hair, I'll be using Sensational hair. They sent me about 5 packs of hair, so I'm super excited to create for this brand. Start off, I'm just going to section my hair into 2 sections, so front section and back section. For my back, I normally free part for all of my hairstyles, but for the front, I'll be making it neat, and I'll also be doing a braid style design. But yeah, let's just get into it. So like I said, your girl is free part in the back because it saves me so much time, but if you are a neat freak, I definitely recommend taking your time to get those parts super clean. Okay, I am all finished with the back. This process only took me about 3 hours. The front, it'll probably take me about an hour. As I mentioned, I'll be doing freestyle braids. I'll be doing whatever design I come up with. You're going to need a comb, but then you're going to also need some type of gel. So I'm using the lock twist gel. You can use whatever gel or pomade that you want. For the back, I didn't use any type of product. Like I said earlier, I just did free parts, and so let's continue on. Now for the front section, you're going to split it into 2 big sections. For my first section, I'm just doing 5 simple straight back braids. And for that second section, I'm doing more of a square braid, if that makes any sense. So I'm parting my hair into a square. I'm applying my pomade and I'm braiding my hair right along that part to keep it nice and sleek. And then for that section, I'm splitting it into 2 subsections. So for the top section, I'm creating slanted braids. And for the bottom section, I'm just doing regular miracle knots. And then I'm repeating those same exact steps on the other side of my hair to keep everything even and symmetrical. Okay, so I am finally finished with the hard part, which is braiding down my whole head. This process took me about 6 hours, and now the easy part is installing these crochet pieces. So as I said in the voiceover, I'll be using feather crochet hair from Sensational. My guess, I'll be using about 3 packs, but I'll let you guys know as we continue on. All in all, this process is the most quickest, most easiest tutorial ever. All you're going to do is braid the crochet pieces down the braid. You're going to braid down for a few just so it's secure, and then after that you're good. You don't have to braid all the way down because you want to make sure that you have the boho effect. If you do watch my videos, you do know that I have done this style plenty of times, but all I do is just add bantu knots. These 2 front braids are basically like just square, but let's continue on this video. So like I said, you're going to grab a piece of your crochet hair, you're going to braid it right towards the ending of that braid. You're going to braid it down just for a few, and then you're really good to go. Now for the boho effect, you're going to grab your crochet needle, place the needle inside of your braid, close that latch, pull it through. To secure it, I'm just going to twist it instead of tying it because I feel like this technique is a little bit more protective. Again, you're going to grab a piece of your crochet hair. You're going to place the needle into the braid and then you're going to twist it to secure it, just so when it's time for you to take the style out, you can just untwist that piece. Okay, I made it to the last side finally. It is currently 8:40 and I've been up basically all day. I'm almost finished, thankfully, and I'm actually going to fill in more boho pieces, but I just wanted to give an update that I made it to the section finally, last section. Okay, these are the final results. Y'all let me know how you guys feel about this hairstyle down below, and let me know, would you give this hairstyle a try? This is my first time ever like doing this type of braid design on crochet hair. I typically only like do the square braids on like a half wig, but I wanted to see how it would look with boho braids slash miracle knots, however you call it. Now if you want a more fuller look, I will suggest for you to add more boho pieces, but I like how this looks. And also if you want it to look a bit more fuller as well, you can just separate the curls, but for now I'm going to keep the curls intact. But like I said in the video, the quality of his hair is insane. I love Sensational hair, and you can actually purchase this hair from your local beauty supply stores. It is now there, and I'll also have all of the details linked down below. But yes, I definitely could have braided my braids a little bit more neater, especially in the back, but for the most part you can't even see the back fro because the hair, it covers it up. Like I said, y'all comment down below and let me know how you guys feel about this hairstyle. Thank you so much, Sensational, for sending me this hair and also sponsoring this video. It was just such a pleasure just to create for you guys. I love to show you guys different hairstyles that you can do on your natural hair, and I love this hairstyle because it's super protective. Only if you take these out the correct way. If you snatch these out, your hair is going to rip, so you have to be very gentle and patient when you're taking these down. But for the most part, I love how lightweight this hair feels. Like, y'all know how when y'all get box braids, your head feel like it's weighted down. With this hair, like, it's super lightweight. Like, you don't even feel like you have hair attached to your natural hair because that's how lightweight it feels. It doesn't shed at all as well. But yeah, I just thank you guys so much for tuning in into this video. If you guys have any further questions, definitely let me know down below. Once again, thank you so much, Sensational, for sponsoring this video. Know that I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. Alpha Omega.